Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today I have a project share, and this album is pretty large. It measures about 8.5 inches wide by 9 inches tall and has about a 2-inch spine. Now the paper I used is a digital download by DECOR8YOURLIFE, and it's called Bee-You-Tiful. I also, and it's so inexpensive, oh my gosh. So I'm going to put the link underneath the video here so you can go check her out, her digitals. But I also got the add-on, the matching add-on sheet that goes with the prints. So I'm going to take you through this, show you what I came up with. Isn't that adorable? And I ended up putting some flat back pearls around here, and up front we just have a little flip, and I added some flowers from my stash. For the picture mats, I ended up putting a very pale, and it's probably hard to see, I have white cardstock with a very pale yellow for my picture mats. This is a large fold out, and I ended up using some dies in this. And the dies, of course, are at my store, but I used the Heartfelt Creations Decorated Pocket Accents. This one was used in here, but also the Spellbinders, the A2 Bracket Borders 1. It's an S5181. So I die cut throughout this. The paper is so cute. You should check that out. And you open it up, and this is just a real simple album that you can place your photos. I have some pockets in here and flips, and then a couple picture mats are in here, and places to put photographs on over here. Isn't that just cute? That is just adorable. I love the bee themes, and when I see gnomes, I love them. Over here is another flip. And I didn't use magnets in this. I did use it for this, of course, to keep it shut. But the rest of it, I didn't use any magnets. This is a large fold out, but this is like a big belly band that will hold my picture mats in there. And I used that one die from the Spellbinders collection. And opens up and places for photos. Now, isn't that adorable? I love it. Okay, we're going to move on to the next page. And I have a large fold out. And you can stick a little picture mat back behind over here, like stick it here. Let me see if this one will come on out. But you can get it on there, and that's a good size mat. So you can do something like that to stick it. And then this opens up, and there's a place over here to tuck a photo mat or place a photo. This is a little side pocket, and I have a mat in there. And then this opens up, and lots of space. Place your photos. Bees are just adorable. And over here, you already saw that. I made a tuck, so I can just stack a photo mat in there, and I can get a couple if I wanted. But you can place your photographs if you have a photograph you want to put on a mat, or just plain put it right on down, you can. And then stagger in another one. So these are some inspirational ideas for you that you can do if you're making albums. And then here is my large pocket. And I have a couple good sized mats in here. Oh, what I got in that. And that's where the other heartfelt die comes in. And then over here is a flip. A great place for me to place a photograph. And when I flip that up, I have this really nice belly band. And I did make it snug so this doesn't fall through. But it holds, and I can get it out easily. And I can stack a couple in there. And then this folds down, and you can place a photo down here. And then I have a free floating mat right here. So that is what I created with the paper Bee-You-Tiful by Decorate Your Life. Do check it out. And another thing is, I am not getting paid for showing you the paper. I just happen to know that she started creating her own designs and digitals, and I hadn't had a chance to hop over there. I did yesterday, and she's got more than just this. She's got a variety of stuff there. So do check it out, and happy crafting, everyone. Oh, I will be releasing some What's New video. I am waiting on some paper, and I'm so excited about it. So I'll see you real soon on my next one, and then after I show that, we'll begin on a tutorial. See you real soon.